You're tuned in to the Kansas City Weather Report, your daily source for the latest local forecast right here in KC. Whether you're planning your commute, weekend barbecue, or just trying to figure out if you need that extra layer, Wes has you covered. So let's dive into today's forecast.
Welcome to the Kansas City Weather Report. I'm meteorologist Wes Peary. Today is Monday, April 28th, and here's what's up with the weather. We're recording this around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll get another one out tomorrow morning for kind of the rest of the week's forecast, but I do want to address the severe threat because there is a decent chance that those of you listening to me from Kansas City may be getting some alerts about severe weather coming this evening. Those of you listening to me from northern Missouri, very likely you'll be getting alerts about watches and warnings for severe weather. Probably a tornado watch will get issued this afternoon. We're looking at a time frame of about 5 p.m. until midnight for some strong to severe thunderstorms to go across northern Missouri. And by northern Missouri, I mean St. Joseph, Chillicothe, Maryville, maybe even Leavenworth, Kansas, Hiawatha, Kansas, generally north of Kansas City. The threat there. Pretty big thunderstorms will come through, could have some very large hail, really big hail, like bigger than golf balls, maybe smaller than baseballs, but very large hail to come through, again, generally between around 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. So be on the lookout for watches and warnings. For those of you watching me from Kansas City, if you're in far northern Platte County or far northern Clay County, there is the chance that these thunderstorms kind of clip you all. Cameron, Missouri, you may get some thunderstorms between this 5 to 11 time frame as well. But I think for the most part, the Kansas City metro doesn't find the thunderstorms move into the area until probably around midnight or after. We'll just say generally between midnight and 5 p.m. Now, there is the chance that these are also severe. Can't rule out severe thunderstorm warnings and certainly even a low chance for tornadoes. But the main episode of severe weather is going to be, again, this evening north of Kansas City. But everybody, please just make sure you have your wireless emergency alerts turned on your phone so you can be alerted in case there are any severe weather alerts. But I think for the most part this evening, Metro Kansas City, we're good. It is after midnight when the thunderstorms begin to come through. Some thunderstorms are possible on Tuesday morning, and then we're looking at just more wet, stormy weather, nothing severe for Wednesday and Thursday, and that is when we begin May. May is Thursday. Temperatures in the 60s for Wednesday and Thursday. This weekend looks nice in the 70s, partly cloudy. More thunderstorms possible early next week. So to reiterate, those of you in northern Missouri, north of Kansas City, please be aware of severe weather coming this evening. Kansas City, we do have a chance for some thunderstorms tonight, which could be strong to severe, but it's after midnight. Thanks so much for joining me for this edition of the Kansas City Weather Report. Get your weather alerts, your updates, everything on my social media at Wes Weather. Have a good one.